I just stop here to show you this. Yeah, down there is the whole city of Yang. Yeah, really nice. Yesterday was really a good weather. Yeah, the whole day yesterday. And now it is raining. Oh, yesterday in the hostel, I was looking for the laundry room. And then I saw one guy, big guy. He's in the kitchen. I asked him, do you know where's the laundry? Yeah, I asked him. He said, oh, and then he accompanied me to the laundry room. And then later on, he asked me from where I am. I said, I'm from the Philippines. Yeah. And later on, he speaks Tagalog. Yeah. And his Tagalog is a little bit confusing for being local Filipino. I mean, his accent is very much like Filipino, but from a different dialect of Filipino. So it sounds like Cebuano or Ilocano something, but no, he's actually from Tunga. Yeah, very nice. All the conversation that we had, he speak to me in Tagalog. Even the way he said, sige tol. He said like that. Even by saying bye, he said to me, sige tol. He just he speak Tagalog. Really nice. Yeah, it's good. Yeah, the only thing not good is I didn't able to record it. And we reached this town. It's called the Cowra. C-O-W-R-A. Cowra. It looks like a big town also. A lot of shops and establishment, restaurant. And I am tempted to stop and eat something. Rice. Oh, no need. Yeah, we keep on driving. I don't know, I'm still seeing shops and restaurants. So I'm not really hungry. I just feel like eating rice. Yeah, because I just had the sausage roll. But until I don't eat rice, I'm cravings for it. This one is stone that hit the glass. Yeah, I can still see the mark. There is a little mark. And there is another town here. Small town. The name is I don't know, Blayney. I don't know the name of this area, but yeah, there is a warning of ice and the snow on the road. And we reach this town again, or maybe a city. Yeah, this is the Bathurst. I hope to see a restaurant here with the serving rice. I am really cravings for rice. Oh, the same like Wagga Wagga, the same like Yang. They also have a very big, wide road. Also no traffic light. Let's go first to the petrol station. I really already broken my promise of not eating in the restaurant for me to be able to save. Yeah, just right now I am going to look for a restaurant because I am hungry. Oh, I just checked the Google map and I'm not yet in Bathurst. Yeah, this place is still Blayney. The name is Blayney. Anyway, we're still going to have a look around here. I'm running because it is raining. I have my umbrella but I didn't bring because I thought where I am going is just in the covered area. Okay, I'm going back now to the car and then we continue driving to Bathurst. one thing I noticed is, yeah, the grass on the hills, they are not green. Yeah, it's like a summer grass. Welcome to Bathurst. I experienced something different a while ago. Yeah, so basically I was driving and I was on a cruise control at 90 kilometers per hour, and then suddenly it hits a bump. Yeah, and the brakes works by itself and it slow down by itself. Yeah, this is a big city, this Bathurst, and we are now going to the camping ground where I'm going to stay, just to be sure that I have a camping ground to stay. Oh, let's go. Oh, I stopped here because I was already going inside, and then I saw that it is a private property, authorized person only. Yeah, but that direction is going to the camping ground. Let's check. Okay, let's find another camping ground. Hey, we are basically now heading to Mount Panorama. Yeah, this is Mount Panorama. I don't know exactly where, but I saw in the map. About 1 kilometer. Maybe that one is a private campground. So before you get in, you must have a permission, like call them first or check if they have website. What are you, huh? Why there is gate? There is Ripco. What is this? It is racing place. But yeah, there is no warning that it's not allowed. So I'm going in. Yeah, this is the racing place. Yeah, it's Mount Panorama. I can read it there on the mountain. Yeah, this is a racetrack. Oh, it's going up. Yeah, we've been to the top of this Mount Panorama here in Bathurst. Amazing. I think this road is the actual road for racing. I did not see a place where I can stop on the top. And so we are now here again, down here. Okay, we're going out. I don't know if you can see that. Those are Tesla charger. Nice. Okay, I end up booking a hotel room. Yeah, it costs $95. It's alright. We are first going to buy something that I am going to cook. Yeah, in the hotel. This is a free car park for 3 hours. Or maybe I should just buy something ready to eat, like a fried rice. I don't know, I'm not sure. Oh, coming from inside, this is how it is outside. Yeah, busy place, town center, city center. I did not see any food court inside. Usually the food court they sell at 2 o'clock. It's almost 3 o'clock. Okay, we go back inside the mall. I saw some sushi. We maybe are just going to buy a sushi. I'm getting just 2 pieces of this, 2 packets, 90 cents. And this is where I'm going to sleep tonight. It's a beautiful room. There is a balcony. Yeah, those are also rooms. Actually apartment. That's the kitchen. There is this table, but not really working table, so I will be working here. This is what I bought in the grocery: a bagel, pasta salad, and pancit. Yeah, noodles, instant noodles.
Living area, kitchen, very basic. For 6 months over the last 12 years.